just gave a lesson to a Skype student who learned Big Scioty. The Scioto River goes right through Columbus, Ohio, and I live about 70 miles south of there, so we Ohioans all play Big Scioty. We get this tune from Burl Hammonds, the Hammonds family in West Virginia, and there is a part of it that he, in the source recording that I've heard that you can listen to on Slippery Hill, there's a part he repeats that just one little line, one little couple of bars that he repeats that most people who play it these days don't do that. So you should know that some people might, but I think I'm not going to teach it that way because, and I may do a few things when I'm playing it through this first time that I may not do later when I'm teaching. If there are things that you're interested in, then go back, slow down the video to this first part where I'm teaching it, and just watch carefully, and you'll be able to figure that out. I'll simplify it a little bit when I'm actually teaching it. So notice there's a sort of lead-in note here, and then the beginning of the tune starts on the second string. We're in the key of G. So when Burl plays it, the little part that's extra is in the B part. Okay, so this is what do I want to say? Well, let's just dive in. So that's a D7 chord. That's a 5 chord, right? 1, 5, 5, 1. And up here you're going to play another 5 chord at the 7th fret, barred across all your strings. I use my middle finger. I find it's easier to use my pinky to get that 9th fret there. If I use my middle finger to bar, and remember you got to get your thumb nice and behind it when you're doing a bar usually. So starting bum, 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 diddy, bum, diddy, pull off, diddy, bum, diddy. That's the first line. Bum, diddy, pull off, diddy, bum, diddy. Then the second line starts on the second string. Bum, diddy, pull off, diddy, bum, diddy. Now that diddy at the end could go, instead of a diddy, you could go pull off, diddy, bum, slide, and then bum, diddy, bum, bum, bum. Mike, I didn't show you that part, so now you know. So that would happen here. Bum, diddy, pull off, diddy, bum, diddy, pull off, diddy, bum, slide, and that's the fourth string from the 2nd to the 4th fret. Bum, diddy, bum, bum, bum. So that's separate bounces of your hand going 3rd string, 2nd, 1st, and then a C chord, 4 chord. So bum, diddy, bum, 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 diddy, bum, diddy, pull off, diddy, bum, diddy. Okay, so that's the whole first part, and you would play that twice. Let's go through that one more time. I'll try to just say bum diddy and not get too fancy. Bum diddy, B part. That's the 5th through the 9th. And then your bar chord at the 7th, which is your 5 chord. And you could go bum, or bum, whatever you want. And then, so the melody probably goes, but instead of hitting that note on the way down, I just opt to do an open first string because I got to get down here. That would be a little quick jump. Sounds fine. Okay, so starting from the beginning of the B part again, it's going to be, oops. That's your E minor chord. It's like a C without your index finger. It's the 6th minor, the relative minor for the key of G. And then the next time we do it, it's going to go to the C. So we're going to go. One more time that part. C chord. So this whole B part, bum diddy bum bum, bar diddy bum diddy bum 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 bum, E minor diddy bum diddy, bum diddy bum diddy bum 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 bum, C diddy bum diddy bum 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 diddy, pull off diddy bum diddy. Now, when I'm going, I could just go, but what I tend to do is, it's what we'd call a ditty, 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 ditty. All I'm doing is just hitting the first string and then the, so forth and so on. So that's your big Scioty. People keep asking me about what is this banjo I'm playing, and I want to tell you about this banjo I'm playing. Well, you know what? I'll do that in a different video. I'll just upload them both tonight. So just check the other video and you'll see what I'm playing.